Kathleen, please.
I think I've done pretty well. There are components that aren't good. I'm hoping they don't judge me purely on my pastry.
And what do you think of your presentation?
I'm not happy with it. I'm not happy with my pastry.
Well, you kind of got peas all over the place and the pastry's not looking that attractive, and the lamb probably to most would be considered to be overcooked. And you're telling me the pastry's not that great?
No, it's not.
Well, you're right about the pastry. It's all bad. It just tastes like a sort of a uncooked crumb. Kathleen, I'll tell you what, right now I'm really feeling for you, mate.
I have to say, it does look a bit grim, doesn't it? Do you reckon it's a MasterChef dish?
Not at all. I'm disappointed in myself.
It would have to be the shortest pastry I've ever tasted. It's got so much fat in it that I don't know whether it even got cooked. It's just falling to pieces.
I make pastry all the time.
So what happened?
I don't concentrate.
Cauliflower puree is delicious. All power to you for doing that.
The presentation's dreadful. But the flavours are there and we know you can cook. It really comes down to, is this the worst dish here? And I'm not sure.
I've got a lot of disappointment in myself. No one's perfect. Everyone has a bad day. And today was mine.
We're now going to deliberate on your fate.
Going into the elimination, I'm scared.
I am nervous. Yeah, there's a few like myself that possibly underperformed.
I really hope I'm not going home. I'm not liking my chances at the moment.
I dropped out of school to do this, so hopefully there was a worse dish than my one.
I'm not ready to go. I've only just begun my journey.
We walk into the MasterChef kitchen for the first elimination. It's the end of the road for one of us.
Walking down and standing in front of the judges in a line is almost like you're going to be shot, you know? It's like like an execution kind of thing.
What is at stake is my future in this competition.
I was hoping the judges were going to say, surprise, everyone can stay just for today.
We've now made our decisions.
You were asked to present your idea of modern New Zealand cuisine. Some of you achieved that and some did not. Let's not forget, the person who cooked the worst dish will be leaving us today.
The fish and the lamb are going in my head again. I should have done lamb. Ah, shut up, said the fish.
Even if you think you feel safe, there's always a bit in the back of your mind that tells you you're never safe.
Michael, please step forward.
I was really nervous because I knew I hadn't done myself proud and I didn't cook to the best of my abilities.
You were our golden apron winner in the MasterChef auditions, which fast-tracked you through to the top 12. We're expecting great things from you. So the question is, how did you measure up in your first challenge?
I think they're quite disappointed and that was a pretty sucky feeling.
Pretty good, actually. Your lamb dish was a little all over the place. The presentation was a bit crazy, but your lamb was beautiful. You'd stuffed it with anchovy butter, a classic combination, and you cooked it really nicely. But I'll give you a hint for the future. Stay away from big, clunky bits of orange garnish.
I think I might bring back the burnt orange sometime later in the competition if I stay and show them that burnt orange can be good.
Nadia and Cameron, please step forward.
I was still pretty nervous. And I was just thinking maybe they were really, really, really pissed off with the way I garnished my plate so that could send me home.
Yours were the standout dishes of the day. Cameron, you just keep doing it for us, mate. Out of so few ingredients, you created a dish that was really special.
It was simple, but, you know, flavourful, and that's what they like to see.
Nadia, yours was a little overcomplicated, though the flavours you presented worked really well. You answered the brief of modern New Zealand cuisine perfectly.
Well, I'm very excited to say the best dish of the day was Cameron's.
Oh, I couldn't believe it, you know. Family would be buzzing out. Auntie's peach chutney, and they loved it.
You embraced what MasterChef is all about. You're going to get a big advantage going into the next round, and I'll tell you about that later.
Thank you.
Congratulations, you can both take a seat.
Could the following contestants please step forward? Tracy Lee.
I swear I could feel the blood pumping through my body and my heart was going to jump through the apron onto the floor.
Fiona.
Yeah, OK, I'm really in trouble now. I don't think my dish was good enough to be a shoo-in.
Jax. Michelle. Anthony. Sam. Michael. The good news for the whole 7 of you is that you've done enough to get through to the top 11. Congratulations, you're through.
Huge sense of relief. It's so stressful and we so want this so much that it's fantastic to be going through to the next round.
So, Stu, Kathleen, Robert, yours were the least impressive dishes of the day. The sad thing is that for one of you, the experience ends here.
I had a gut feeling that I'd be in that bottom tier. I'd pack my bags.
Kathleen, too many ingredients, poor presentation, scary pastry. How do you think you went?
Dismal.
Do you think the short crust pastry was ever going to work on the lamb?
If I made it correctly, yes. I did poorly on the day. I'm hoping that my past dishes will stay in their mind and they do remember that I'm actually a very good cook and I can do better.
Robert, deconstructed nachos. Is that what MasterChef is all about?
No.
You said you didn't want to put yourself in the deep end. When do you propose to show us something spectacular?
If I get another chance, I will. You can't describe the feeling when you're up there. It's just gut tuning. You just feel like you're being disemboweled, you know, verbally.
Stu, we thought your dish was pretty shoddy today. Your lamb wasn't medium rare. Pretty dull effort, mate. But we're prepared to give you another try. You're still in.
Oh, I'm feeling relieved, but also it's given me a bit of a kick up the pants and, you know, I don't want to be back in that position again.
Then there were two. One of you is going to stay and one of you is going to go.
Yeah, I think it could be me.
I just want to keep going. I don't want to go now. I've just started.
I'm sorry to say, but Kathleen, your mistakes have cost you your position in the competition.
I have set my goals so high and I didn't reach them. It's my fault. I failed at my task. That's not a good feeling.
Don't give up. You love cooking. You're good at it.
It's in here.
It's in there. Take that dream and go and get it, girl.
Kathleen, it's now time to leave the MasterChef kitchen.
From now, I want to spend time with my family. I want to see my beautiful kids and my beautiful husband, and I just want to be with them for now. And I'm going straight back into the kitchen.